Hey everyone, so I'm at the Scalar Performance booth at SEMA, and you may recognize this car here. The SCR1, it's a Toyota GR86 that has been converted into a dedicated track car. And we've looked at this before, and you can definitely easily see the battery, and you can see all of the race components in here. But one of the things that is not quite as easy to see, because there's other kit around it, is the actual motor. And so they have exactly that set up. Joel here is going to take us through it. So this is what makes it go fast.
This is the power behind the Scalar SCR1. So what you're looking at here is our motor. So this is the motor with a Borg Warner core in it, stealth EV housing, specifically engineered for this car. We have our own custom gearbox in here that fits in the subframe. We don't have to cut apart the subframe. Those are GR86 axles. Inside here is the Torsen limited slip GR86 diff from its factory diff, so it's just the carrier out of it. Unbolt the crown gear, bolt our own spur gear on it. Simple gear reduction, nice compact unit, all within the constraints of the factory suspension, factory subframe. Nice compact unit, and yeah, you can't see it. Well, you can sort of see it if you look in the back window.
Sorta.
But this just gives you a really nice open view, easy to see. That's how it works and how it nicely bolts up.
That is awesome. That's so cool to see. And you can also, the fact that it's the actual subframe from the car, that's just clever engineering to be able to keep that.
As a motorsports enthusiast and coming from racing, the last thing I want to do is have somebody bump into the back wheel of me and then break a control arm, and then I have to wait for some custom control arm or some custom axle or some custom part that I can't get. But I can ask my buddy who's also racing a gas-powered one beside me, hey, you got a spare control arm or an axle? And it's the exact same thing. So that was very important for low cost of maintenance.
Awesome. Well, thanks for taking us through that, and hope you have a good rest of SEMA.
No problem. Thanks, Dan.